friends, I am Malarpadi. Now in this video we will see about the properties of sets. Okay, so far we have seen about the types of sets, representation of sets and all, isn't it? Here we are going to see about the properties of sets. First property is a commutative property. Commutative property, what it says is A union B is equal to B union A. That is for union of sets. Okay. Then next one is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, which is for intersection of sets. These are the two properties for commutative properties for union and intersection. Okay. Next one is the associative property. Associative property, in associative property we consider three sets A, B and C, any three sets. Okay, so here bracket alone, the place of the bracket alone changes. Here A union open bracket B union C, B and C comes inside the bracket is equal to, here the place of the brackets changes, it comes it includes A and B. Okay, so A union B union C, that is A union open bracket B union C close bracket equal to open bracket A union B close bracket union C for union of sets. For intersection of sets, same thing, but the symbol alone changes. Intersection will come A intersection open bracket B intersection C close bracket equal to open bracket A intersection B close bracket intersection C. This is for the intersection. These are the two properties, associative properties for union and intersection. Okay. Next, third property is the distributive property. Here also comes two subdivisions. One is union over intersection, another one is intersection over union. First we will see about the union over intersection. A union open bracket B intersection C close bracket. Here first symbol comes a union. So we are saying union. Next symbol is intersection. Union over intersection. Here first symbol is intersection. Second symbol is union. So intersection over union. You can remember like this. So, based on the symbol, first symbol is union, so union over intersection. Here first symbol is intersection, so it is intersection over union. Okay, what it says, this property A union open bracket B intersection C close bracket is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Okay, next one is A intersection open bracket B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, like this. You just go through the properties. You remember commutative is A union B is equal to B union A. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Associative property comes for three sets A, B and C or any of three sets. That is A union B union C is equal to the bracket, the place of the bracket alone changes. It comes for A and B or B and C. Okay. First if you put for A and B, next that will be changed to B and C. So if you change the position of the place of the brackets, whether the answer is changing, that is we are going to check that it won't change. Okay. In associative property. Associative property also comes for union and intersection. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Place of the bracket alone changes. You can write the brackets for A and B or B and C. If you change the bracket also, push a place of the brackets for the sets, then also the answer is going to be the same. Distributive property, it is A union over intersection and intersection over union. A union B intersection A union C is equal to A union B intersection C. Okay, just you see the properties. It is A union open bracket B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Here A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay. Okay, let us do some problems, examples we will work it out, then you will be able to understand better. Okay, now let us see the Venn diagram for distributive property. Distributive property, one type alone I am going to take and check it. Okay, I am going to take intersection over union. Intersection over union, what it says, A intersection B union C. If you multiply, if you just split it out, you will be getting A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, so LHS side and RHS side I am going to separately draw the diagram and check whether they are coming same. Okay, first I will take the LHS side, A intersection B union C. Okay, this is the distributive, one of the distributive property, intersection over union, A intersection B union C. LHS side. Okay, first I am going to take B union C. So here I am having three sets, A, B, C. So three circles in the universal set I am going to draw. So B union C will be all the portions in B and C will come in B union C. So I am shading all the portions in B and all the portions in C. This is B union C. Okay. Now A intersection B union C. Next expression is A intersection B union C. For this, the portion common in A region. What is the portion common? This portion and this portion common in A region. If you see the A set alone, you will be able to identify which part is shaded. That part alone will be coming under intersection. So this portion alone will be coming under A intersection B union C. Or otherwise I will just shade it in orange region. This portion alone will come in A intersection B union. These two is B union C. This one is A intersection B union C. Okay, this one is the answer for the LHS side. We will see in the RHS side. RHS side you will be having A intersection B union A intersection C. So now I am going to separately draw the diagram. First for A intersection C, next for A intersection B first, next A intersection C. Then I am going to draw for the union. Okay, A intersection B. You'll be able to identify the region common between A and B sets. This is the region common between A and B sets. I have shaded that region. Okay, A intersection C, the region A intersection C, this won't be coming. This portion alone, A intersection C. Okay, this portion alone, that is the portion common between A and C. That is I have shaded here. That is the region A intersection C. Then A intersection B union A intersection C. You are going to combine these two diagrams, A intersection B and A intersection C. If you combine it, you will be getting here this region, this common region is shaded. Here this common region is shaded. If you combine it, these two common region will be shaded. So when you see the diagram 1 and 2, it will be same. So we can conclude A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Thus the distributive property for intersection over union is proved using Venn diagram. Okay? Just to see the diagrams, you will be able to understand. Just split it out and draw the diagram and then combine, put all together. dimension diagram.